Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're bringing you a step-by-step guide on how to create long videos for free. As long as your computer has more than 6 gigabytes of VRAM, you'll be able to run this, and the video quality rivals that of the top AI video models on the market. Best of all, it's completely open source and free. The tool we'll be using today is called FramePack. We'll walk you through how to install it, show you some examples, share tips and tricks, and more. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Before we dive in, let's take a look at some official sample videos. Pretty impressive, right? All these videos were generated using a 6 gigabyte RTX 3060 graphics card, which means even a consumer-grade GPU can create top-tier AI videos. No more paying for expensive subscriptions. Plus, FramePack supports generating videos up to 120 seconds long. Right now, it works on both Linux and Windows operating systems. Now, let's jump into the local installation tutorial for FramePack. Step 1. Go to GitHub. First, head over to FramePack's page on GitHub. All the links mentioned in this video are in the description below. FramePack already has over 8,000 stars. Here, you'll find detailed information about how FramePack works and the minimum requirements to run it. Scroll down to the installation section, where the developers have provided a one-click installer. The file is about 1.7 gigabytes and comes as a compressed package. Once it's downloaded, move it to a new folder. Make sure you have at least 30 gigabytes of free disk space, or the download might fail due to insufficient space. Step 2. Extract and update. Use extraction software to unzip the package you just downloaded. If you don't have extraction software, you can find a link in the description or download one from any app store. After extracting, open the folder and you'll see several files. First, double-click on update.bat to update the program. This step is important. If you skip it, you might end up using an older version with potential bugs. Step 3. Automatic download. Once the update is done, double-click run.bat to start the program. The system will automatically download a series of model files, which are about 30 gigabytes in total. Just be patient and wait for the download to finish. After this initial setup, you'll always start FramePack by opening run.bat. This will automatically launch a web interface in your browser, which is the FramePack UI. If it doesn't open automatically, you'll see a link in the command window. Just copy and paste it into your browser. And that's it. Your local FramePack deployment is complete. Pretty simple, right? Next, let's show you how to use it. The FramePack interface is super straightforward. On the left, you upload your image. On the right, you'll see the generated video. In the lower left, there's a prompt box where you can enter your text prompt. Below that, click Start Generation to begin. The first parameter you'll see is total video length, which sets how long your video will be. The default is 5 seconds, but you can go up to 120 seconds. That's 2 minutes, which is really cool. Leave the other settings as they are for now. Just upload any image, enter your prompt, and hit Generate. Wait a few minutes. The exact time depends on your computer's performance. Check out the results. This is on par with any top video generation model out there, and there are no restrictions. Pretty amazing, right? Next, I'll share some tips to help you get even better video quality. First, the quality of your original image matters. A clearer image will give you a higher quality video. Check out our previous videos for more on AI image generation tools. Second, use AI to optimize your prompts. If you're not sure what to write, you can ask ChatGPT or DeepSeek to generate prompts for you, then just copy and paste them in. Third, remember to download and save your generated videos right away. The download button is in the top right corner of the video. If you generate a new video, the previous one will be overwritten. Once you master these tips, you'll have full control over FramePack and never need to pay for AI video subscriptions again. It'll save you a ton of money, whether you're a student or a creator. That's it for today's in-depth FramePack tutorial. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll be sharing more practical AI tools with you soon. See you next time.